might eat us.
Well, let's see. We're out here at the Chinnabee Lake. We're going to do the Lake Shore Drive hike. It's supposed to be 1.9 miles. Okay, there it says 2. Estimated time 2 hours.
What?
2 hours. So here we go, Talladega National Forest. Pretty and natural looking out through there. It's just been left alone, let go.
I see the water right there close by.
Yeah, I could have wore my bug net, but it's on my lawnmower. That's sure growth out there. And we get up here somewhere, hopefully it's the start of this trail.
I got that thing right there to measure the water by.
Yeah, well, when they closed down the campground, it must have got up to that 5 feet.
They're hard to believe, wouldn't it? Look how red.
No.
It's about 4 feet.
No camping anymore. It's not. This is supposed to tell you something, but it doesn't tell you much. But we're still hunting this trail. We're over here by the old campground. Got to be through here somewhere. So we couldn't find the other end. We're gonna see if we can find it on this end.
This one says Chinnabee Silent Trail.
Okay.
Lake Shore Trail.
That's what we want, Lake Shore Trail.
And Skyway Trail. I thought we wanted Lake.
Okay, here's the thing I was telling you about. There's a good fire ring. How did we come from there?
I don't think we came by this fire thing.
Oh.
I want you to carry me a bunch of these rocks out of here.
Sure, you can count on that.
I'll wait in the car while you're doing that.
You do know you can, and you do know you can buy these rocks somewhere, right?
Yeah, but they wouldn't be natural. Now I remember this was...
No, there are people that collect.
Huh?
There are people that gather river rock for sale. What I was saying a minute ago, I don't know if I'm going to make a video out of this or not, except to warn people if they come up here for the Lake Trail.
They ain't one.
There's no such thing anymore. We haven't been able to find it.
I think I am going to call when I get home this afternoon. I'm going to call the forestry department and talk to them. That's what the hell happened to the trail.
Well, that might be a good idea.
Well, it couldn't hurt.
I mean, there's not a sign
Tell them
to enter it, or...
Tell them I drove 50 miles to get to this trail. Then there wouldn't be one.
Well, we've walked a pretty good piece up here looking for the other end of the trail that goes around the lake. This is the Chinnabee Silent Trail we're on. And I haven't seen anywhere that there even used to be a bridge. Now there's the Skyway Trail. That goes 6 miles. You want to take that one? And it takes you up to the Pinhole.
Is the Skyway Trail the one that we're supposed to be walking?
If you have old sore knees, you might want to do this trail and you might not. But we're can't find that other trail around the lake, so we're gonna walk in here a mile or so and then back out.
And I remember us crossing a bridge.
Yeah, this is taking us somewhere, but it's not to the lake loop.
Well, maybe this is the bridge that they talk about. It's at the dam.
No, we're away from the dam. Dam's way that way.
How come this can't be the dam?
Well, because it's not. I don't know how else to say that. Here's sliding rock. I'm gonna go this way this time. Well, we never did find that loop trail around this lake, but there are some things to do here, and there is the Chinnabee Silent Trail, which is a good one. But it says welcome to the Lake Shore Trail, and we could not find an entrance. We looked on two ends, so just letting folks know that see this, we couldn't find it. If any of you have knowledge of where to enter and exit this trail, leave that knowledge for us in the comments. See you next time.